What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes. Wednesday, May 21st, 2025. It is 9:45 here in the morning in the great communist state of New York. I feel like a fat fuck. I ate so much over the last Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Over the last 6 days in the Czech Republic and the journey to get there and back to the great communist state of New York, that I really think that I need to fast. I really do. I think it was Saturday night I finished on my own a 750 size bottle of Grey Goose. Yep. I drank so much that I didn't drink at all Sunday or Sunday evening. And I had one drink Monday night at the hotel bar in Prague. And my wife goes, "Wow, you were really wrecked." I'm like, yeah, but I stayed hydrated. Oh man, gotta love it. Gotta love it. So back here, it's Wednesday. I just finished my first service call back from a little holiday with the wife. Yep, good stuff. Good stuff. Heading to my next service call. I have 2 more service calls. I like to do 2 or 3 a day, at most. I like to do 1, but I didn't feel like recording that much during the first service call, so I just recorded the testing of the capacitor and then the horrible installation of a Mitsubishi ductless mini split system that we've never checked the filters on in 8 years, because you can't. Tomorrow we're doing our first 5-ton Mikey Pipes by ACIQ inverter communicating system.
Joel Schindler.
Oh God. You are not going to believe the story that I'm about to tell you guys. And it's involving a digger. You're not going to believe this, guys. So I just finished up my second service call. Dual capacitor. Quick $600, you know what I mean? An hour of my time. Oh! You guys are hating, I know it. And always not $600. It's like $500 with tax. Let me show you guys what's going on here, okay? We have a residential client here with this. Now, the guy's digging, right? There's nothing marked out. You know, you have to call before you dig. Nothing marked out there, right? And they're replacing the sewer main. I don't want to show too much, but yeah, and they're digging with that backhoe, or that little excavator, sorry. And they're just digging away. I gotta take a look at this. I should go see. I'm curious, I want to see the pipe.
Cost me $1 earlier on.
He paid for you already, and you're good. How deep? 4 feet?
9.
Oh wow. Look at that sand. Long Island sand.
Yeah.
Anywhere else we have tons of rocks.
Not good. I'll take the sand all day.
I hear you. So you're not gonna put a pool in?
You sound like my wife now.
Well, you know.
She wants the pool, but she's not gonna do the maintenance. I'm gonna do like out there.
day on you.
It's funny like how we're all little boys.
I love this stuff. I wish I could play.
Yeah.
I put a pool in about 10 years ago,
Yeah.
and the guy left the keys for me when he was done at the end of the day. But my whole backyard was destroyed anyway, but I had fun with it. It was fun.
Well, also helping with massive fun.
Yeah, but I don't operate a excavator. Look, you got no roots or nothing.
Could you stop and ruin it?
What, you want roots?
No, I don't want to jinx it.
You don't have no trees? You're good.
Yeah.
It's old age, probably. Replacing the whole line or just a section? Whole line or just a section? Depending on what you see? Yeah. So the guy in the bucket is having all the fun, by the way.
Pretty much.
And he's staying dry.
Usually that's how it is, too. Come just like half bucket, not to the left.
Fresh air stack.
Wait, hey, like this. To the left.
All right, so which guy's going in the hole?
Huh?
Which guy's going in the hole? He is?
Hold on.
Oh, he has the gas pipe.
Hold on. Yo,
Yep.
pick up. That's the gas line. Right above it. So we're not going fast now. We're gonna go concentrate.
Good luck. Good luck. I'm out. You hit the gas pipe. I'm gone. Ladies and gentlemen, I swear this is not staged. I am at a residential property here in Valley Stream. The guy's operating an excavator, right, and hit the gas pipe. You saw that. You witnessed it all right then and there. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is why you call before you dig. Morons. I'm out! As I saw it now, I was like, oh my God, I can't believe I got this on camera. Because if I didn't get this on camera, you guys never would have believed it. What would have been more epic is if it would have like sparked. Now I hope, not really. I don't wish bad on that on anyone, you know, because, but you know these guys are not licensed. You know that. There's no licensing. There's no permits. They didn't even call before you dig. Come on, man. Oh my God. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe. Don't be hitting gas lines with an excavator.